A gCADPlus user based in Holland has made a very nice job of converting a plant list in Excel into a plant list that works for gCADPlus. So let's have a look at that list. I've attached it and let's edit it. So here's the list that's come across from Excel, and you can immediately notice a small problem, and that is that a symbol that was used in Excel has not translated. That obviously is the cost of working with that particular plant for this designer, but as you can see it's relatively easily edited. I'll just expand these a little. You do have to be careful in Excel that you have the order of columns in the correct order, the botanical name and then the common name and the plant type here. So all looks fine apart from some minor editing here. We haven't added the code yet, but I'm in the habit of using the first two characters of the generic name followed by the two characters of the species name. So here it would be AC and then AR, and we'll close now. We'll OK that. What we're interested in is using the gCADPlus set data to a plant, and I've done just that. So if I select a symbol here, here's a fruit tree, and we now have the code showing because we've added that particular code. If we come over here, this symbol is a hibiscus, so all looks fine. This tool will help, which is to show symbols with names. They're the ones that appear to be correct, but the final test is, can we use the automated plant schedule tool? And let's see if that works. gCADPlus, plant schedule, draw the standard schedule. The first question is, what's the height of text? I've just trialed this. 150 works reasonably well, and I'll pan across and set our plant schedule up like so. And there we are, we're just about right in terms of spacing. So let's repeat it and go just, repeat it, hit the enter key to accept the height, and we'll just make it a little wider. And there we are. That's the plant schedule, and we can now put that into the layout space. But I'm impressed. That's good conversion of an Excel spreadsheet and works nicely in gCADPlus.